CVS gang. You feel like taking us somewhere else too?
So who wanna go? I'm gonna pick you.
How many eyes does the common honeybee have?
Hey, hey. What you doing? What you doing?
Are you doing here? Oh.
In LA, it's cooler this morning, 62 degrees. Partly.
Damn, I look ugly as fuck. But we touched down, we in LA right now. Man, I'm about tired as hell, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to find my Lyft driver, bro. I'm very much confused on where I'm at. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I find my Lyft driver. No, listen, bro, on the phone talking about, oh, no, I found my Lyft driver. Look at him. Look at him over there. Look at him out the car and shit. Find my Lyft driver type shit. And I want y'all to listen to what this nigga saying, gang. Yeah. I want y'all to listen to what this nigga talking about. All right, man, I appreciate you. My God. Ooh, it's hot as hell in here, boy.
2 hours later.
Nah, yeah, man, I appreciate you. Yes, sir. It's all love, man. Just pulled up to the hotel, man. You know how this shit go. Pulled up to the hotel. Happy birthday, man.
Thank you.
Print these boarding passes off. I'm not gonna lie. I tried to scramble all night trying to do this shit, bro.
You don't know how to print?
I'm like, bro, when I was at work, I had forgot to print it before I went to work. Huh? No, I look, you need that, boy. All right, bet.
Yo, broke ass, I ain't got a camera. You
Okay, don't put him in. He probably don't want to be recorded.
Yeah, he said no pictures in his Uber, though.
My boy. Yeah, we just going to CVS, gang. You feel like taking us somewhere else too?
It's already on there.
Yeah, it's How you feeling, gang?
Was he like this in Houston?
I ain't gonna lie.
No.
I just need a French fry. And I'm good. A French fry and a drink.
Why you looking like
Some
that?
food. I was vlogging in Houston.
We got this dog right here, right?
Oh, that nigga smelling everything. Hey, bro, one wrong movie. Look at it. Look at him. Look at him.
You know somebody is.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him, man. Hey, so how y'all gonna enjoy yourself? Like, what y'all gonna do first when y'all get on the boat? Get some food. Bro, she is eyeing the dog, bro. The dog ain't gonna do nothing to you, gang. The dog ain't gonna do nothing to you, gang. Okay.
You good for the country?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't want no pictures right now, gang. My phone about to die. We boarding right now. You know, like yeah, it's that way. So that's what I gotta say before I walk out and before I, you know what I'm saying? Before I leave y'all at my phone, dog, that's what I gotta tell y'all. It's all about living for yourself, enjoying yourself by yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all before, I'm in my self-love era. You feel me? So I am on a trip with friends. I am on this cruise with friends, but you also see me by myself, you know? So I'm about to love myself, enjoy myself, and let's just see where the, you know what I'm saying? Let's just see where the weekend take me, you know what I'm saying? Damn, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all though. I'm a little lit right now. I really am trying to keep my composure. Let me see if I can set my phone up on one of these things. Okay, hold on, can't say it right there. What is really going on around here? Okay, I said it right here. Boom. I really wanted an ocean view room. I'm gonna get into all that later. Like tonight. Today is just about me. And this whole weekend just about me. So I'm gonna give y'all a really good and thorough overview later of when the trip is over with. But for right now, enjoy these videos of me getting lit. But this is what my room looks like. Like I said, I really wanted an overview room. I booked this cruise extremely last minute. I literally, believe it or not, I booked this cruise literally a week before. Literally a week before. So, gotta deal with what I gotta deal with, bro. Gotta deal with what I have to deal with. But fuck it, we on a cruise and we here. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. Enjoy this video. Type shit. What's your comments about Drewski, gang?
Shit. What can I say? You know, it's a great show, and shit, we turned up on it, man, all the way through. You know, could have been records. People already know what it is.
Type shit, gang. All right, enjoy your time out here, gang. This drink, I don't even know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, one of them ways. I'll catch up with y'all. We've been do karaoke. Oh shit! Yeah.
A few moments later.
The whole room type shit. The whole room, what do you say?
No, for her.
Type shit. The whole room.
Do the best I can to get you to understand. Cause I know right time to say goodbye. Girl, I got the best one going to the club, she's gonna start hating me. And I think I'm still away, I won't talk about you. Girl, it's not you, it's me. I gotta figure out what I need. Oh, it's never right time to say goodbye. Where we know, where we gotta go our separate ways. But trust me, girl, I never bring the pressure up, I never put it out to the way we go. And I don't know, tell your heart, they know you should be at the part, baby, I just can't do it. I just can't do it. Listen to your heart. How many eyes does the common honeybee have? How many eyes does the common honeybee have? I'm gonna call on you because it's yes. All right, you said 2. That is incorrect. That is incorrect. We move over to the winners. 16, that is incorrect. We move over to the success. Oh, Jesus. 200, that is incorrect. Fuck, you know what? 40, that is incorrect. The answer is 5. 5. All right, I need a representative from this team. Come on down.
With these macking words.
What's your ass? I'm saying we got great pizza.
Hey, move your cup.
We got great pizza, bro. I'm a little lit right now, that's why I keep the glasses on.
You got them bitches on every picture though. Don't even lie to them. You got them bitches on. Don't say cause you lit, you got them on. Nah, nigga, you got them bitches on cause them bitches glued to your face.
I mean, people like that, bro. Really, overall, wait, hold on. Overall experience of the cruise, 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 overall experience.
What would have made that bitch a 10 though?
Let me get my boy. Hold on, 8 out of 10.
What would have made that bitch a 10 though? I'm the interview.
What's your experience? What's your experience on that?
Hungry? 10. He got 10.
Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that.
Big back, big back, big back, big back. Yeah, my
Bro.
That's like 6 slices right there, brother.
Bro, let me see. Give it back.
All right, man. Here, interview us, bro.
I'm sure one is in the belly with that one. Nervous.
All right. So what you get? What you rate the cruise?
Overall experience on the other. I gave my overall experience.
Oh shit! Hold
I
on.
lost my money at the casino. That's 10 out of 10.
I lost my shit too.
I won a bingo. You feel me? I won a blackout bingo.
Okay.
You know, yeah.
For real?
I did, for real.
Hey, let's rob her.
Chill. But chill. Don't go too far now.
Hey. You too. Hey. Hey. So what would have made the cruise a 10 out of 10?
No, bro, this is my fucking video.
I'm the interviewer, nigga. What would have made the cruise a 10 out of 10?
If they had a hookah lounge on the grill. No, that
A hookah, hey. Hookah would have definitely did it. Hookah would have did it. I ain't gonna lie. Hookah would have did it. Yeah, for sure.
Devin and Devin.
Big Dev. For real, Devin.
Let's be so honest.
Wait, how you spell it?
How you spell yours?
D-E-V-I-N.
E-V-I-N.
That's not good.
You know what I'm saying?
That's not good.
Big Dev. I'm gonna shout your shit out, man. You too. What you out here?
Wait, no.
Camera shot.
No, I'm giving y'all the YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving y'all the spotlight. Doses of Dev on Instagram. Yeah. I'm getting pizza because he got all the pizza. He got everything.
He was up here before me though.
Few moments later.
Okay. Not too much. Hold on, no.
Let's.
No way.
Hold on.
This is not for me.
Let's. You know what I'm saying?
Not all for
Let's
me.
really talk about it.
She got a whole piece on her plate.
Let's
You
really-
ain't said shit to her.
No, I'm saying though,
It's cool, it's cool.
you got 2 plates.
Come on. Okay.
You got 2 plates.
It's for my friend.
I love the glasses.
Okay.
I love all that.
Thank you.
You was just.
I was talking shit. Hungry? 10. He got 10.
Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that.
But this is for my friend. Hey, this is my friend.
That's for your friend.
Everything.
Hey, you-
Hey,
look.
my friend. She down bad.
Few moments later, she come back with 2 plates.
I don't want to hear you because you had 8 pieces on that bitch. You
I
had
did.
a pizza and a half.
You
You had a piece and a half on that plate. I see you. And you had sauce on it.
Y'all not finna clown me. She's going crazy over here.
Sauce on it.
And
Some shit about to go down.
what's about to go down, man?
They be doing coke and shit. I don't. They just do. So who wanna come? I'm gonna pick you. You wanna come?
I can't bring my friend. My friends.
Nah, this solo with me too.
You said what? Oh, absolutely not. Solo. Yeah, it's solo. That's a turn up? It's solo. It's you and him, baby.
Wait, hold on.
No, if I can't bring my friend, I ain't.
Hey, I'm already that nigga. People just don't know. All right, well.
All right.
Look where bro back that at. Look where bro at.
You can huddle up and think you blissing and get flagged down. Try that shit again and get the same results as last time. I want all the money, I got a passion for it. Shit serious, to turn you to a caption for it. Don't play period, or fry you like some castor oil. Wipe a nigga nose, somebody get a napkin for him. 100K large on that road, what I did with leak. Missed that whole pandemic run, you still can't compete. That just show what type of bag you in.
What you doing? What you doing?
Are you doing here? Oh.